Hi everybody, I'm making this video to show you how to create the Python files. I was creating the assignment file and I saw a lot of students were doing it wrong and they were submitting the wrong files. So I have created this file, created this video to show you how to create the Python file. First, you have to start your idle. So idle comes automatically with the Python, and it is the basic development format. You can use this one if you are using. If not, you are not using anything. So, and I have both 2.7 and 3, but this course is using 3.4, so we are using this. Once this window will come up, you don't have to use here uh, like that. You don't have to print your code here and then copy paste the whole code. Some students have been doing this, which is wrong. So once you have this idle, go to file, start a new file, a new window will come up. This is a new file, and you have put your code here. So what I am doing is right now creating a variable my name, which will hold the input from user, not input, codes, input from user, and then I will print this input. So I'll say please enter name, one space, and no, that's it. So I have this space here. You'll see, I'll show you later why the space is here. Then just print name. Control S to save it, or you can also either hit Control S to save or go to file and save the file here. It is Control S. I'm just using Control S. Save the file, give it a name, print name, and you don't have to put the .py here, .py. The .py will automatically come if you save it as a py file. So I don't have to put it here. .py, it is saved as print name.py, and you can hit either you go to run the shell, Python shell, or you can just put F5, hit F5 and it will run. I'll give my name, and there's an error which I initially put here. So Python will automatically always tell you exactly where the error is. You can trace the error. So right now it is telling me there's an error in Python file print name at line 2, and the error is on print name where name is not defined. So that's correct, the name is not defined. Actually my variable name is not name, it's my name. I will correct it. Again hit Ctrl S to save and F5 to run it. It will run. Hit enter. It prints my name, and I put a extra space here just to give my user a space so he can differentiate between the input and his input and the output from the program. So it's a good, just a good practice, not a required practice, but it's a good thing you put a space here so that user can see. The other thing is I've seen a lot is students have been giving not a meaningful name, just giving ABC. So if I also put like I want for the trapezoid or example we were doing, we had height and base. We can say height here, and please enter height. That will work, and then I can print height here. Instead of capital H, it should be small h. Height. And if you are saving it in a file and then you are trying to use it in a formula, you could save it again as another variable instead of just giving h and then height multiplied by 2. If this is just an example I'm doing. So instead of age, you could have said like height multiply, although this it's a long name, but you could have used this thing. And also sometimes it's also work, it's a better way to you give a comment line of say height multiply is the is of is multiplication of 2. So you can give something like that, that will also work, but it's a good idea. And you can also have a empty line here so that your code looks good. So all this was done, so please and then you can just save it and it will work. So that's how you create Python files. Hopefully it will help you. Thanks for it.